Hey, what's up, guys? So, did a couple quick trades. First one, CVS. Um, so CVS, it gapped up, it fell, and I actually went long on it at around this level, 66.25. Reason for that is if you look at pre-market, this is sort of a area of consolidation. It topped off at around 66.24. It did break through that, it went back down. That level now becomes a level of support. So I bought small size 200 shares. When it jumped, I started to scale out. The reason I started to scale out here was this is sort of the level for the top. So that's a good level of resistance. So I buy into support, sell into resistance. That's it for CVS. And then I did a trade on CNC. For CNC, had this level of support here. It broke through, and then it just went all the way up. And then it kind of struggled a bit, and I shorted it here. This is kind of dangerous because this is a strong stock. It still is a strong stock, but the reason why I took a short and quickly scaled out of this. It went all the way down the view up, but I scaled out of it is because on the daily chart, right when I took a short, I shorted it right into this level of resistance on the daily level. So I felt pretty good about doing that, and then I added to my position on the way down. So let's see if I can do this. So see, I took two 200 shares, so 400 shares total, and then I took it off 100, all the way down to the view up here, and then yeah, that's it for CNC. The final trade I took was PayPal. PayPal didn't really work out too well for me, but I was fortunate to see that it's not breaking through here, so I basically got out at a very small profit. I bought into this. Reason for this is I was looking at both the 1 minute and the 5 minute. On the 5 minute, it was sitting right at this level, SMA. So I anticipated the move, so I bought some, and then I bought more here. It did drop. I didn't really care too much about this drop. I have small size, only 300 shares. There's a good level of support here. So it did bounce, and I scaled out some. It did drop again, and then did another bounce, so I scaled out some more. This looks kind of like I only took out 200 shares, but it's actually I took out all of my entire position here. Going back to the 1 minute, and that's how it looks like, 100. It was struggling mightily, so I just got out. I think this is pretty much at break even, maybe a couple of bucks, like $5 or something. So yeah, and now it is dropping. So 5 minute kind of lost this level now, and I think it's just going to go all the way down until it hits the 109 level. But yeah, so those were my 3 trades for the day. Again, ended the day positive, so I'm going to stop here. Any questions, comments, put it in the section below. Like and subscribe.